Welcome to my YouTube channel, Unfold Biography. Today we will talk about Prophet Ilyas alayhi salam. Let's start the video. Prophet Ilyas alayhi salam was a prophet in ancient Israel, mentioned in both the Quran and the Bible. He succeeded Prophet Ilyas alayhi salam and is highly revered in both Islamic and Judeo-Christian traditions. His story is marked by miracles, devotion to Allah, and a role in guiding the people of Israel during a time of spiritual decline. Ilyas alayhi salam was a man of great faith and piety, chosen by Allah to carry on the prophetic mission after Ilyas alayhi salam. According to Islamic tradition, Allah instructed Ilyas alayhi salam to appoint Ilyas alayhi salam as his successor, which he did before Ilyas alayhi salam was taken away by Allah. Ilyas alayhi salam continued Ilyas alayhi salam work of calling people back to worship the one true God and to abandon idol worship, which was common at that time. One day, as Prophet Ilyas alayhi salam was traveling with his followers, a group of children came out from the town and mocked him. They taunted him, saying, "Go up, you bald head," a reference to his physical appearance. The mocking was not just an insult but a form of defiance against the Prophet's divine rule. In response, Ilyas alayhi salam prayed to Allah, asking for divine intervention. As a result of his prayer, two bears emerged from the forest and attacked the mocking children, causing them to be struck down as a warning to others who might mock or disrespect the messengers of Allah. One of the most famous miracles associated with Prophet Ilyas alayhi salam is when he healed a man with leprosy. A man named Naaman, who was a commander in the army of the king of Syria, sought healing for his leprosy. Ilyas alayhi salam told him to wash in the Jordan River 7 times, and by doing so, Naaman was healed. This miracle is significant because it shows the power of Allah's guidance and Ilyas alayhi salam obedience to Allah's commands. Another notable event in Ilyas alayhi salam life was when he performed miracles that helped people in dire situations. One story tells of Ilyas alayhi salam feeding a large number of people with just a small amount of food. He instructed his followers to distribute a small amount of bread and food, which miraculously multiplied to feed everyone, illustrating Allah's power to provide in times of need. Ilyas alayhi salam also faced opposition from kings and people who rejected his message. Despite this, he remained faithful to his mission and continued to deliver Allah's messages. He encouraged people to repent for their wrongdoings and warned them of the consequences of not turning back to Allah. His unwavering faith and persistence in delivering Allah's word made him a respected figure. In the Quran, Prophet Ilyas alayhi salam is praised for his devotion to Allah. In one of the verses, it is mentioned that he was a righteous servant of Allah who followed in the footsteps of the great prophets before him. His story is an example of steadfastness and trust in Allah's plan, even in difficult circumstances. Muslims view him as a model of humility and sincerity in his devotion to Allah. In addition to his prophetic work, Ilyas alayhi salam is known for his deep compassion toward the people around him. He was not only a guide for their spiritual lives but also showed care for their material needs, as demonstrated by the miracles he performed. His actions demonstrated that true and leadership comes from serving others and living in accordance with all will. The life of Prophet Ilyas alayhi salam teaches us valuable lessons about faith, compassion, and the importance of following Allah's commands. He was a prophet who did not seek fame or power but instead worked tirelessly to help others and lead them toward a closer relationship with Allah. His legacy continues to inspire people of all faiths to remain steadfast in their devotion to Allah, regardless of the challenges they may face. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment down.